business and earning from the beginning is no easy task, but it is quite possible. In this module, we are going to learn about all the ways to give you a head start when starting a business. You do not have to wait for your business to settle and bloom to make money, but you can start earning on day one. Let's learn what methods you can employ to earn from the very first day. Let's understand first how a poll is different from a survey. A poll is used to ask one simple question, while a survey is generally used to ask a wide range of multiple questions. A poll allows you to ask one multiple choice question. Participants can choose from among answers that you predefine. You can restrict voters to select just one answer to your question, or allow them to choose multiple answers. You also have the option to add the other field to allow voters to enter their own answer. A survey, however, allows you to ask multiple questions across a wider range of question types. You can ask for a comment, an email address, a name, an address, as well as multiple choice questions. Surveys may seem like a time-killing job for you, but they have extreme importance for brands and companies. Companies pay you to take surveys because they need that feedback. They need to know if their product is working and how it's working for customers. With paid surveys, companies stay aware of how their products are faring on the market. Do people still like what they sell? Is there product satisfaction? Are there problems with the product line? With paid surveys, companies acquire all the essential information. Establishing and maintaining connections with customers can be a very hard thing to do. It's not easy for people to give you the time of day. Those who give out product pamphlets and product demonstrations in public can attest to this. Many of these busy passerbyers will just keep on walking, but people are just interested in paid surveys. The public wants to talk and they want to be heard. People like to share words and their opinions. Paid surveys can break these barriers and allow companies to engage with strangers and potential customers. Companies looking to widen their reach use paid surveys for inspiration and on ideas. Companies looking to widen their reach use paid surveys for inspiration and ideas on what products and services to launch next. It's an absolute disaster to have gone through an elaborate process of planning and spending towards a certain product or service that did not produce even a single customer. And so, companies avoid those tragedies with the help of paid surveys. Survey respondents help companies make operational decisions. Paid surveys answer, what colors should we use, which products, what sizes? By serving customer demand, companies can also measure projection rates and better plan how many quantities they should produce for the next business year. Paid surveys function as company consultants and advisors. Now, as a company, imagine having a great number of consultants and advisors in your firm. What would that do for your business? How could that help you? Indeed, paid surveys will produce varying results and opinions, but you'll have them all for your considerations. By filtering the results, you can extract the most reliable responses and include them in your planning, your brainstorming, and consultation sessions with your board. The process of appearing for a survey or poll is quite simple. Just follow a 5-step process to register yourself and start earning. First, register with the survey or poll that you wish to appear for. Then participate in polls and surveys conducted by the organization. Receive money in exchange for your time and your opinion. Then you can transfer your money to your bank account. And finally, get it converted into vouchers as offered by the organization. There are dozens of market research companies recruiting new members from around the world to fill out these surveys. They rely on people like you to share their opinions, from Donald Trump to the latest phone, and offer money and rewards in return. Every site has a limited number of paid surveys each month per person. To make money doing surveys and earn serious rewards, sign up for as many survey panels as possible. There are a few survey panels that you could sign up for right away. The first is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the largest and most reliable paid survey site. So far, they've paid over $600 million in rewards to members around the world. They offer rewards for playing games, taking offers, searching the web, making online purchases, and watching videos. The second is Taluna, a trusted opinion website working on behalf of leading companies. They want to know what you think about certain products, services, and issues. In return, you get rewarded. The third is LifePoints. Two very popular sites, MySurvey and Global Test Market, have merged to form LifePoints. The fourth is Branded Surveys. Previously known as Mitenbein, branded surveys are popular with survey enthusiasts due to providing a high volume of surveys. The fifth is OnePoll, best known for short, quick surveys about every topic. OnePoll provides surveys to the press and major brands. And finally, we have Inbox Pounds, also known as Inbox Dollars in the US. This established community rewards you for activities beyond paid services. The following advantages make taking surveys a dream job. The first is there's no stress of commuting. Traveling every day from home to the office can be a time-consuming and also a pretty large expense at the end of the month. Even public transportation. The following advantages make taking surveys a dream job. First, there is no stress of commuting. Traveling every day from home to the office can be a time-consuming and also a pretty large expense at the end of the day. Even public transportation is expensive nowadays. Working from home will make all the difference. Second, there is no extra expenses. Is there a better way of making money than from your own home? Lay down, play your favorite music album or TV series, and start filling out paid online surveys. Start making more money from anywhere with an internet connection. There are completely flexible hours. One of the biggest advantages of paid surveys is that you can fill them out at any time of the day. This means earning money even in the middle of the night. Schedule your spare time and don't miss out on any of the cool events. Your opinions also get a voice. When filling out online surveys, your opinion is taken into consideration by well-known brands. If there's anything that you would like to change from the products you consume, now you have the chance to speak up and share your opinion. This type of work also lets you spend time with your family. Working outside the home makes you lose precious time with your family and friends. Start spending your time with the people that make you happy. That will affect you positively and increase your everyday productivity. And lastly, it gives you time to opt for some freelancing work. Working from home has a big advantage. You are the one making the decisions. It's time for you to show how successful you can be with this type of work. No one will give you a deadline or to-do list. But remember, the better boss you are, the more money you will earn. Pay attention to the following before you decide to make a career in this field. You will need to work in isolation. Working from home and doing paid surveys from your computer can be a lonely venture. People who leave their houses and commute to an office will most probably meet other people throughout the day. These encounters are likely to include short conversations, which are missed when you work at home. You also have the ability to be your own boss, which means self-discipline. Being your own boss also means that you decide when to start and when to finish. This can be tough as it requires a lot of self-discipline. Unexpected issues can get in the way, and even the most organized workers can recognize this difficulty. Flexible income recognizes difficulty. Flexible income can become a threat. Online paid surveys should be viewed as a way to earn extra pocket money. It is an activity that can be done from anywhere, anytime. It requires that the partaker is available to answer surveys, and the more you answer, the more you earn. Working from home is the only option, and there is no colleague bonding. You do not get a chance to form that workplace friendship, as you will always be working from home. Being online can be quite the distraction. When you are always online, you may find that certain portals will distract you from your work. Being online can be quite the distraction. When you are always online, you may find that certain portals will distract you from your work, so you need to be extra attentive and extra focused. And finally, being online may also lead to addiction. We all know that mobile phones and laptops can be extremely addictive, and when your work requires you to be online all the time, it may lead to addiction to these devices. So please use with caution. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product that they enjoy, then promotes the product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. Because affiliate marketing works by spreading the responsibilities of product marketing and creation across different parties, it manages to leverage the abilities of a variety of individuals for a more effective marketing strategy while providing contributors with a share of the profit. To make this work, 3 different parties must be involved. First, the seller and product creators, the affiliate or advisor, and the consumer. eBay, Home Depot, Amazon, and other well-known e-commerce have affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a great way. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn. But apart from that, let's see what makes this platform so popular. It is a great method to generate passive income. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into a campaign, you will see continuous returns of that time as consumers purchase the product over the following days and weeks. You receive the money for your work long after you've finished. Even when you're not in front of your computer, your marketing skills will be earning you a steady flow of income. A strong and consistent customer base brings great money. With other jobs, you could work an 80-hour week and still earn the same exact salary. Affiliate marketing is purely based on your performance. You'll get from it what you put into it. Honing your reviewing skills and writing engaging campaigns will translate to direct improvements in your revenue. You'll finally get paid for the outstanding work that you do. You have the ability to earn from anywhere. If you're someone who hates going into the office, affiliate marketing is the perfect solution. You'll be able to launch campaigns and receive revenue from the products that sellers create while working from the comfort of your home. This is a job that you can do without ever getting out of your pajamas. There's also very little cost for getting started. Most businesses require startup fees as well as a cash flow to finance the products being sold. However, affiliate marketing can be done at a low cost, meaning you can get started quickly and without much hassle. There are no affiliate program fees to worry about and no need to create a product. Beginning this line of work is relatively straightforward. And finally, customer service isn't your domain to worry about, as you are only a referrer. Individual sellers and companies offering products or services have to deal with their consumers and ensure that they are satisfied with what they have purchased. Thanks to the affiliate marketing structure, you'll never have to be concerned with customer support or customer satisfaction. The entire job of the affiliate marketer is to link the seller with the consumer. The seller then deals with any consumer complaints after you receive your commission from the sale. Let's delve into the complex relationship that these three parties share to ensure affiliate marketing is a success. The seller and product creators. The seller, whether a solo entrepreneur or large enterprise, is a vendor, merchant, product creator, or retailer with a product to market. The product can be a physical object like household goods or a service like makeup tutorials. Also known as the brand, the seller does not need to be actively involved in the marketing, but they may also be the advertiser and profit from the revenue sharing associated with the affiliate marketing. For example, the seller could be an e-commerce merchant that started a dropshipping business and wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate websites to promote their products. Or the seller could be a SaaS company that leverages affiliates to help them sell their marketing software. Then there's the affiliate or publisher. Also known as the publisher, the affiliate can be either an individual or a company that markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential customers. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product to persuade customers that it is valuable or beneficial to them, and to convince them to purchase the product. If the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. Affiliates often have a very specific audience to whom they market, generally adhering to that audience's interests. This creates a defined niche or personal brand that helps the affiliate attract consumers who will most likely be able to act on this promotion. And finally, we have the consumer. Whether the consumer knows it or not, they and their purchases are the drivers of affiliate marketing. Affiliates share these products with them on social media, blogs, and websites. When consumers buy the product, the seller and the affiliate share the profit. Sometimes the affiliate will choose to be upfront with the consumer by disclosing that they are receiving commission for the sales they make. Other times, the consumer may be completely oblivious to the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase. Either way, they will rarely pay more for the products purchased through the affiliate marketing. The affiliate share of the profit is included in the retail price. The consumer will complete the purchase process and receive the product as normal, unaffected by the affiliate marketing system in which they are a significant part.